A job well done. In the vegetable patch, Mira the Mole dug neat rows all by herself. Her paws were muddy and her back was sore, but she looked at her work and whispered, "I did it." In the craft corner, Toby the Toad folded and folded until his paper boat stayed upright. It wobbled on the water, but it floated. He grinned from ear to ear. By the stream, Lulu the lark practiced her song again and again. Her voice cracked a little, but when she finally hit the high note, she flapped with pride. Near the big oak, Ernie the elk stacked logs for the fire pit, one by one. His legs wobbled, but he didn't stop until the last piece was in place. At the garden gate, Sasha the Snail carried her tiny watering can from flower to flower. She moved slowly, carefully, and smiled at each bloom as it glistened. No prizes, no applause. Just big hearts and quiet smiles. Because doing your best is more than enough. The lesson is, doing your best is something to be proud of.